Nathaniel? 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 Are we gaming? Gaming? Nathaniel? Are we gaming? Ah!
Today we're gonna learn about the immune system. Anybody know what that is, class? You.
Nothing.
The immune system is one of the systems in your body.
Mine?
No, not you. Everyone else, though.
Why?
Call. Anyways, the immune system is responsible for making sure that no harmful bacteria or diseases get inside your body.
What if I don't want to call it the immune system?
Well, the immune system could also be known as the lymphatic system.
Oh, cool.
The immune system is able to distinguish between normal, healthy, and unhealthy cells.
So wait, it can tell when cells are unhealthy? How?
So you know how you can tell if milk is bad, right?
Yeah.
It is basically that, but with cells. It also keeps track of every single germ, also known as a microbe, that has been defeated into white blood cells, known as memory cells.
That's pretty cool enough. Why would it even do that?
To make sure that your dumb bubblegum looking lymphatic system doesn't get hit with that dummy disease again, stupid.
Dear.
There are many different parts to the immune system. There are the white blood cells, which I already mentioned. There's the lymphatic nodes found around the body. There's also the spleen, the thymus, and bone marrow.
Wow, that's a lot of people.
They're different parts of the immune system.
Oh, I thought you were listing off people randomly.
Let's delve a little deeper into white blood cells, shall we?
How about we don't?
The white blood cells are made in bone marrow and travel through the blood system looking for foreign invaders.
Like aliens?
No, like infectious bacteria and diseases.
Oh, alien bacteria, got it.
The white blood cells include many different lymphocytes, B cells, T cells.
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
No, sit down. As I was saying, there are many different natural killer cells and many other immune cells as well. Although monocytes and lymphocytes help to break down the bacteria and other harmful diseases, it is the neutrophils and eosinophils that actually kill the bacteria, fungi, parasites, and cancer cells.
So if I were to get the most score in the game, but my teammates still got first place?
Exactly like that. There are also the basophils, which is like the alarm system for the immune system that alerts it whenever infections invade the bloodstream.
Can I be untied yet?
No.
I've always wondered, can you power a human with beans?
Well, do I have the organ for you? The spleen is a bean-like organ in the immune system that removes microbes and destroys old or damaged red blood cells.
I want a bean that protects me though.
Well, the spleen is also responsible for making disease-fighting components in the immune system.
What were those memory keepers? Blood cells or something?
Ah, yes. White blood cells. Those are made in bone marrow, along with red blood cells, which are important for carrying oxygen, and platelets, which helps our blood clot.
This bone marrow stuff. Tell me more about it.
Can you let me teach, please? Jeez. The bone marrow is the spongy tissue that is found inside of your bones.
I don't want to learn about bone marrow anymore.
Alright then. Next on the agenda is the thymus. This is important for filtering and monitoring your blood content.
Boring.
It also produces the specific white blood cells called T lymphocytes, which directly kill infected host cells, then activating other immune cells.
What if my system doesn't want to work?
Well, then you run into different disorders such as allergic diseases, where the immune system makes an overly strong response to allergens such as pollen and food, and...
Can I go to the bathroom?
No, class is not over yet. Jeez. Anyways, there's also autoimmune diseases, which occur when the immune system mounts a response against normal components of the body. These diseases include type 1 diabetes and rheumatoid arthritis and others. So, that's all I have for you today, class. Make sure to have your 90-page essay. Anyways, make sure that you get your 90-page...
The Pacifist. So if I were to get the most score in the game, but... Short-term memory really hitting hard, huh?
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
There are also basophils, which is like an alarm system that alerts the immune system whenever infections infect the bloodstream. Invade the bloodstream. Infect the bloodstream. Infections infect things.
Hey. Can I been tied yet?
No.
Do that again, I'm not making that sound. White blood cells.
Speaking of white blood cells that are made in bone marrow, let me tell you about bone marrow. And speaking of bone marrow, bones in the skeletal system, there's another system in the human body called the immune system, which includes the thymus. The thymus, ooh, that filters blood. Just like the spleen. It all connects.
Well, do I have the organ for you? The spleen is a bean-like organ in the immune system that does micro things. What does it? Removes micro. Well, do I have the organ for you? The spleen is a bean-like organ in the immune system that removes microbes and destroys old or damaged red blood cells.
Get it?
Yes.
Get it?
Well, the spleen is also responsible for making disease fighting.
Disease fighting. You want to fight? Yeah, that's right. Deceased? That's you.
Huh? I don't want to learn about bone marrow anymore. Alright then. Next on the agenda is the thymus. This is important for filtering and monitoring your blood content. I did this because I knew I messed up my line anyways, and I didn't care what I did with my hand. After that.
And that's going into the video.
The one that we submit.
Yeah. Yep. That's final. That's final product right there.
No, class is not over yet. Jeez. Anyways, my hat fell way too much there.
And there it goes. And the music right here. Okay, Jesus.
We put our life on the line for this project.
True.